In this lesson, we are going to read through the thoroughly cooking food topic in the template food control plan. This is one of the magenta-colored cards in the making and cooking section of the plan and is page number 57. What do you need to know? Some foods are likely to be contaminated with bugs that will make people sick or die. Cooking is a common way to kill these bugs and make the food safe to eat. Some foods need to be cooked thoroughly to kill bugs. You and your staff need to know which of your foods are high risk and need to be cooked thoroughly every time. Examples of food that needs to be cooked to be safe includes poultry, minced meats, and livers. Why is thoroughly cooking food important? Thoroughly cooking kills bugs and makes your food safe to eat. It is important to check the temperature with a calibrated thermometer because food can look cooked when it is not and look uncooked when it is. It is important to use a calibrated thermometer to make sure that the temperature is accurate. What do you need to do? Cook poultry, minced meat which includes for example sausages and burger patties, and livers using the cooking poultry, minced meat and liver card. Meat such as beef, lamb and venison can be served rare, but must be seared before serving and being eaten straight away, as in food bought to eat straight away in a restaurant or takeaway. Pork must be cooked to medium or well done. If you and your staff are cooking using sous vide, or preparing red meat for mincing and serving lightly cooked or raw, then you must follow the rules on the relevant cards. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for cooking food. Always check dishes for cold spots. Food must be cooked evenly and all the way through. Stir dishes frequently to avoid cold spots. Check the temperature of your food and complete your plan by choosing from the following options. Using a calibrated probe thermometer to check the internal temperature of the food, or using a calibrated infrared thermometer to measure the surface temperature of the food, or using a calibrated automated system to monitor the internal temperature or surface temperature of your food, such as a temperature data logger. After thoroughly cooking food, serve the food immediately. Keep the food hot, that is, keep it above 60 degrees Celsius until it is served. Follow the keeping food hot card, or rapidly cool the food following the rules in the cooling freshly cooked food card. What do you need to show? Show your verifier how you and your staff know your food is always thoroughly cooked by taking the temperature of each item of food you cook, and or by using the manufacturer's instructions.